Hello guys, thank you for joining me again for another video. This video is a very exciting one. I'm really excited because I'm on white. Like, I'm feeling this collection. The PRO packaging, the PRO box, everything was giving vibe. New Huda Beauty ICY Nude collection. It came in this cute PRO bag this with me. And it came with this hat right here. If you know, you know. This alone is a vibe. Wait to see the collection. So I'm going to start by using the new Huda Beauty ICY Nude palette. I'll just open it and take it off for you guys to see. I love the colors, giving fall vibe. And so sadly, this will be Huda Beauty last 18-piece eyeshadow palette. This can do mostly everything that you need to do, except if you like colors. You can pop in colors. You have some very cute transition shade. I can see brown. Like this looks amazing on the lid. And you have some shimmer shade. Touch some so that you can see the pigments of this shades. Look at that. Look at that. You see? I'm going to apply loose powder underneath my eyes. I'm going to start with this. So I'm going to use this as a transition color. This is blending in like butter. So smooth, so easy to blend and move around. Yeah, the transitioning. Cute. So I'm going to do my go-to eye look, which is halo eyes. If you have been following me in a long time, you know that I love the eye look. So I'm going to go into the dark shade to apply it at the outer corner and the innermost corner of the eyes and blend it in. I'm just using one brush for now. Go back with the transition shade with another brush. I'm just going to build up the color at the top here and fade out that shade. Yeah, this shade right here. I'll take the shade. Dab that. Ooh, nice. I'll take the shade. I just want to dab this. I'm sorry, the fallout is real. You have to be really careful. Thank God I applied powder underneath my eyes. That is so pretty. Just using the dark shade. Dust off some of the shine. Like we're going for an icy look. Icy. Yeah, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty eyeliner and I'm going to apply this on my waterline. Then I'm going to take the Huda Beauty Life Liner. This is the liquid eyeliner. This is the easiest way I can use glitter. I'm quite messy when it comes to glitter, so this is the easiest way. Just put it in the palette. Tone of browns I use at the top. Just blend out my under eyes. You can do a lot with this palette. Shimmer look, nude look, glitter look. The look is looking. So I've applied lashes off camera to apply mascara. I'm using this one by L'Oreal. If you have no lashes like me, try out this mascara. Let me know what you think. This L'Oreal mascara. And if you have it, let me know what you think. This is really good. So these are the two blush in the collection. Two blushes in collection. Leave the name on the video. So that is the shade right there on my hand. So pigmented. I'll apply this at the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take it from there because I don't just want to apply it straight into my face. Take it from the back of my hand. Wow, this is nice. It's actually showed up. So I'm going to take the shade Coco Loco. Wear this around. Dab, dab, dab. Yeah, I like the blush. Actually, know what she was doing. You think it's not going to work because when you see it, it's actually really beautiful. Just look at that on brown skin. You can build it up if you want, but I think I'm okay. So guys, I'm just going to quickly swatch the Huda Beauty ICY Nude Collection lip gloss on my lip. Just look at that. So pretty. This is fire. This has a shine to it. So taking the next shade. It's also a very lovely nude pink. You can either get this one or the first one because they look similar, have a very fine pink undertone to it depending on the skin tone that is wearing it. So this is very pretty. Yeah, I'm intrigued to try this one. You can build up the pigment if you want. I actually like this. Come on, Huda. Are we going to be glossing all year round? This is so nice. This shade is so lovely. I'm going to leave this shade on. I'm going to leave the shade on. This shade, she fire, is really firing. It's giving. If you're a chocolate girl, you're going to love this. This is a go. Like it's a must buy. This is a must buy. This just wins. You are a winner, baby. You're a winner. You won on this one. I can't stop looking at myself. So good. So I've applied the lip gloss, the blush. Now the eyes is done. Now for the last step. The reason why some people are here. Let's not lie. This face gel is the reason why some people are here. They just want to know how it looks, how it feels like. Yeah. This is the new Huda Beauty ICY Nude Collection face gloss. Days and it goes like da 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 da. Look at that beauty. Look at that. This looks interesting. See that? The little pink, like something out of space. I'm not scared to touch this. You see? It's, oh wow, the pink. You can see that melting. Okay, I'll apply this with my finger. Just be on the safe side. Don't spoil this makeup. I already look flawless. Just add to my beauty, please. Like, what? This is... I don't even like cream highlighter. Like after I'm done with makeup. This is giving... Now I understand the face gel that she's talking about. Hand on this thing feels... It feels weird but amazing at the same time. Like, if you don't want it to be too pink, maybe try the other side. Have you seen a product that just leaves you so speechless? It makes me feel so speechless. But in a good way. I'm going to leave this part because there's a lot of pink here. I'm going to go with this part that there's no lot of pink. I just want to carry the gel side to see what will come out of it. They just give a glossy finish, you see? There's not much pink. Just give that like cream gloss, but it's not moving my product. Like it's not moving the undone product. Like it's not moving my concealer. It's not moving the powder. It's just so fine, easy to blend. Use your finger. Use your finger, like it works with the finger. I don't know if you use a brush, if it will come out. I don't want to experiment with the brush. I'm not going to lie. There are some things, just leave the brush alone. If I tell you that I don't like applying cream on top of things that I've already set, you think I'm lying. But this product works. Can you see that? Can I use this on my lip? Can I just experiment on applying this on my lip? Apply this on my lip. The gloss on top of it. Is this not giving ICY NUDE Barbie? Huda, you did this, like everything was hitting back to back. The eye palette, the eyeshadow palette, brilliant, but you have to be careful when you are using the glitter and the shimmer shade. Make sure you have powder underneath, or if you do your eyes before foundation, perfect for you, because that will give you a fallout. But the matte shadows were nice, creamy, lovely. Pigment, check. Blush, check. Don't think that shade is not going to work for you as a dark skin girl. It works. Mix the two together or use one. They work. And the lip gloss, you know, you already check before checking it. It's checked. You see this cream, the face gel, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. If you don't know what I'm saying, when you have it, try it. Use your finger, ladies and gentlemen of the public, when you are getting this product. If you want to use a brush, it might not work with the brush. I did not try that. I didn't even want to. There are some things that you don't need a brush. Just use your finger to make this product and apply. Done with this review. If you have any question, ask me at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Huda and the team, for sending this. This is a PR package. I'm just saying this from my heart. I love it. Love it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one. Remember what I always say. Be yourself. Be true to yourself. Love yourself. Do you always and remain blessed. Bye, guys. See you on the next one. Bye. This is giving winter Barbie. ICY NUDE Barbie. Yeah?